my learners. Welcome to Python programming language tutorial in English that is presented by Try School. This is Timothy, your mentor from Try School. Okay, so let us start with the topic of what's meant by Python. As you see the thumbnail, so this is a topic related to the very most introductory part of Python. So first, in this session, let us try to understand what is meant by Python and a simple definition of Python and some more lines regarding that definition. Okay, simply, what is Python? Python is simply, we know that in the title of the tutorial, we have seen that uh, Python is a programming language. Okay, Python programming language. That is meant by simply that Python is an programming language, right? Python is a programming language. Okay, that's the same line that is given here. So Python is a programming language was developed. We can use applications by using sorry, we can develop applications by using this programming language. We can develop, okay, this programming language is meant to develop the applications, right? What type of applications? You may have the doubt that what type of applications we are using to develop this programming language. So let us see further what type of applications are used. Okay, so we can say that Python is a high level programming language. Okay, Python is a high level programming language. Immediately that you will get a doubt, right? Simply what is meant by high level programming language? Okay, that's answer is given in the next line that high level programming language is high level means programmer friendly programming language. That means that easy to understand, that simple way to manage the memory, that has many security functions, okay, that has high security. So like these are the some measurements that is considered to be as a high level programming language. Okay, and I think you have a clarity, you have an idea, a simple idea about high level programming language, right? Okay, so by simply seeing the code, okay, this is the main point, right? By simply seeing the code, the programmer can understand the program. Simple, that the code is that much simple. Okay, the code is that much simple. Okay, so high level programming languages are programmer friendly languages, but not machine friendly languages. Okay, that what is high level programming language? It means you'll have the programmer friendly language. What are the features of programmer friendly language? Means that simple memory management, that has high security, that has objects and all. Okay, so this that second point defines us that the code, by using by simply seeing the code, we can understand the entire program, right? And also, likewise, we can write the program very easily. Okay, so this point defines is not okay. The high level programming languages are the programmer friendly languages, that not uh, but not machine friendly languages. Okay, let us take an example. Okay, as I also told you that this lecture is completely meant with examples. Okay, so let us take an example. So this is the code. Yes, the entire 4 lines are the code of Python that defines. Let me give you a second of time. See the entire lines that which was selected by me. So try to understand that. Okay, that your time is end. What do you understand? Can you understand any line of that code? Right, right. Let me tell you, let me say you that a equal to 1, that a is like going to take the value of 10. Okay, b is going to take the value of 20. Likewise, c is also going to take the value of 30 if a is greater than b, else 40. And if that means if a is greater than b, that takes the value as 30, else 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 it's going to take the value of 40. So this line is meant to print the C value, right? Okay. So that was explained entirely here. That here we haven't learned any code. We haven't learned any statements, haven't learned any variables, any values, but we are able to understand the code, right? By just seeing that simple four lines, we are able to understand the entire code. Right? Likewise, this type of thing is called as high-level programming language. Okay, some examples of high-level programming languages are C. Yes, C is a high-level programming language. C++, Java, C hash, and also finally Python. Okay, so you may get doubt that if you are writing just four lines of code. Okay, let me take you the code that which was discussed. So this is the four lines of code, right? You may ask me that, sir, actually this works. Timothy, is that actually works? Yes. Of course, this is going to work very efficiently and very perfectly. That because Python is a very simple language. Python is very simple language that compared to C or C++ or Java, especially with Java. Yes, but Python is very simple language. Okay, this is a block of code that which we have already discussed, and what that exact output is going to be displayed on the screen. Can you guess that we are only using the print statement that will gives the output. So we have only printed C, so we are going to get the C value. So what the value of C is 30 or 40. So if this condition is true, if this condition is true, we'll get the value of 30. If this is false, we'll get the value of 40. So what is going to get the value of C? So right, 40. Yes. B is greater than A. So this condition is literally blindly false, and the condition is this one is true. Okay, then the 40 is assigned to the value of C. Okay, okay. That's for the day. Let us conclude the session. We're going to do a summary. So what's Python? Python is a high-level programming language. So what is meant by high-level programming language? That is user-friendly or programmer-friendly language that is having the features of memory management, security, and objects and all. Okay. So we can simply understand the code by seeing the entire code, and that is a programmer-friendly language, but not the but not the machine-friendly language. So some examples is C, C++, Java, and C hash and Python. So this is the code we have discussed. So let us conclude the session and see you all in the next session that in which we are going to discuss about Python as a simple what is meant by general purpose of high-level programming language. Okay, that means the applications of programming, so Python programming language. Okay, so see you on the next session. Thank you so much. See you all in the next session. Thank you.